Guys are all feeling good. I just wanted to give you a quick video just to help you out on the skills that you're going to be missing this week. So the first thing we're going to be doing is rounding, rounding to the nearest 10. So basically what rounding is sometimes you don't need an exact number, right? So you're going to need like an about number. So when you're rounding to the nearest 10, that means your answer is going to be a 10 number. So it'll be like 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay? And what I want you to imagine is basically like on a number line, all we're doing is, say I had the number 53, you'd be thinking, well, 53 is between 50 and the next 10 would be 60. And on a number line, I'd say it's probably like here, 53. So 53 would be closer to 50. Or if I was doing a number like 78 would be between 70 and 80. 78 would be a little bit closer to, well, closer to 80. So my answer would be 80. And then basically, the one that's a little funny is people always ask me, well, what happens if it's in the middle? What if I had like 35 between 30 and 40, and 35 is right in the middle? Well, 35 goes to up. It goes to the bigger number, okay? So I'm going to show you a cool way to do rounding, and it works pretty good, and it's a simple process, but more it's just understanding what I need to do, like where it's going to go. Is it going up or is it going down? Is it closer to this 10 or is it closer to that 10? So let me show you. So here's the rules that I like to do. First thing, so I find the number in the tens place, like so 63, I underline the 6. Then I circle the number next to it, the 3, in the ones place, because that's the number that's going to tell me if it's going up or down, okay? And then what I always like to do is I do the tens before and the tens after. So you see how it's like 63? So it's either 60, and just think the next 10 is 70. So 60 or 70. And now what happens is any number at the ones place, if it's a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4, it goes down or back. And if it's a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, it goes to the next 10. So it's 63. 3 is going to go down, so that one's closer to 60. And that's it. That's all it is. So watch. Underline the 7, circle the 4. So it's 74, so it's either 70 or 80. Now it's a 4, so a 4 is going to go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, like to the floor, down. Okay? So that'll go down, which goes back to 70. Okay? Now check this one out, 85. You can see the 5, so it's going to go up. So I underline the 8, circle the 5. It's either 80 or next 10, 80, 90, and ends with the 5. So 5, even though it's right in the middle, that one's going to go up to 90. Then I got 77. Underline the 7, circle the other 7. So it's 77. So you say, okay, 70 or next 10, 80, and 7 is going to go up definitely to 80. Because if you're at 7, think about that. 8, 9, 10. It's only 3 to get to the next 10. It'll be 7 to go back to the other one. Okay? Let me zip around the other side here. So now I got 28. So I underline the 2, circle the 8. So it's 2. So 20 or next 10, 30. 8, it's bigger than 5, so it goes up. Next 10, 30. Okay. 36. Underline the 3, circle the 6, because that's the number I'm looking at. So it's 30, so it's either 30, next 10, 40. 6 is going to go up, next 10, 40. That's all we're doing here. 17, underline the 1, circle the 7. So now this is a little tricky because it's 1. What does 1 mean? Well, it means 1, 10. Next 10 is 20. and 7's going to go up, bigger than 5, so we'll call it 20. Now I put this one on here because it's kind of weird, and the kids were a little confused with these ones today, where it's like, wait, what do I mean? Well, underline the 10s, well, there are no 10s, right? And circle the 1s. So if there are no 10s, that means 0, and the next 10 would be 10, and 7's going to go up. Answer 10. If you guys are having any bit of a hard time with this, definitely feel free. Grab mom, dad, if you have an older brother or sister, they'll help you out, because this is just like old school rounding. The thing I like to do mostly is I like to think about like 63, so it's in between 60 and 70. Like it'll never be 50 because it's 63. It'll never be 80 because it's 63. It's either between 60 and 70. And just think about a number line, like where it would land. All right, good luck. Watch this video twice if you need to or whatever, and then we'll get the hang. I'll make another video for you for some more rounding when we get a chance. Okay, so hope you all enjoyed this. Talk soon.